2018 Audi RS3 by ABT Sportsline. ABT Sportsline is no stranger to working on performance vehicles of German origin, and ahead of the 2018 Essen Motor Show, it's releasing its latest piece de resistance with a kit for the Audi RS3. The kit is available for both sedan and sportback versions of the RS3 and is packing an assortment of different accessories covering the car's exterior, interior, drivetrain, and suspension. The result of ABT's work on the RS3 gives Audi's performance sedan a whole new personality. Not that it needs one, but there is something to be said for a car like the RS3 that doesn't get enough attention as it should. The Audi, after all, has to deal with both the BMW M3 and the Mercedes-AMG C63, two of the most established German performance vehicles in the market today. It's more than capable of holding its own even without the assistance of ABT Sportsline, but if you own an RS3, this king of aftermarket package is one of those offerings that's going to be hard to turn down. In the end, improvements come in many forms, and in the case of the RS3, there's enough of them from this program to justify a good long look at the kit. Continue after the jump to read more about the Audi RS3 by ABT Sportsline. It goes without saying that when a tuner prepares a program for a car like the Audi RS3, there's only a certain amount of changes that can be made to improve the car's aesthetics. That's not so much a lack of creativity on the part of the tuner, but a testament to the outstanding